Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification button to get notified anytime I drop new video. So today we are going to learn how to design a burger flyer in Photoshop. Now let's get started. So first of all, we are going to create new file, which is document the space that we are going to do all the work. Then you set up the width, the height, the resolution, the background orientation. So the width is 12 inches, height 14, resolution 300, background white. Then click create. So after we've done that, the next thing is we are going to bring the background. To do that, you go to folder where you drop the file. So these are the file, the fonts, the images that we are going to use on this tutorial. I'm going to drop a link on the description where you will download it. So now you hold and drag. So this is the image that you are going to use for the background. You hold and drag, then drop, then hold your alt key, then drag to make it big. So now I don't want it to pass this very shape here, so select this tool, hold, then drag to select all, Ctrl J to duplicate and delete this layer. Then we are going to blur it. To do that, you go to your filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, so it's okay like this. Then the next is we are going to bring this image, then hold your alt key, drag to make it big. Okay, so the next one is we are going to make these edges more darker. To do that, create a new layer on top of it, then right click, create a clipping mask, then select your brush tool. The opacity 100, flow 100, then the foreground color change it to black. Then you brush these edges. So after I've done that, then you change the blending mode to soft light. Then you reduce the opacity a little. Okay, let me see 70. Okay. Then the next thing, we are going to bring in this burger image. Click, then drag, then drop. Double click to transform. Hold your alt key and drag to reduce the size. Then the next is this Coca-Cola image. Then bring it down, let it be below this burger. Burger. Then Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. And increase it. Then the next is this French fry. Then drop. Then rename it to French fry. Then you bring it down, let it be below this burger too. Double click to transform. Hold your shift, then make it bigger. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to group it. So select the burger, hold your shift, then select the Coca-Cola, then Ctrl G on your keyboard to group. Then I will rename it to images. Then double click to transform, make it bigger. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to add shadow below it. To do that, create a new layer behind the image, select your brush tool, the foreground color black, opacity 100, flow 100, okay. So we are going to reduce the opacity here. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is the text. Okay, so the first text we are going to write is super delicious. Super delicious. So you are going to change the font. Double click, then you go to your font, then font check. This is the font I'm going to use for this super delicious. Double click, make it big a little. I'm going to change the color. Okay, so Ctrl J to duplicate, then bring it down and type burger. Ctrl A to select, then change the color to white. Hold your Alt key to make it bigger. Then I'll bring it down. Then the next text, we are going to write special offer. Special offer. Sorry. Now Ctrl A to select. We are going to change the font. So this is the font we are going to use. No, sorry, not the font. Okay, so the next one we are going to draw a shape here. On that shape we are going to write free delivery. Create a new layer, then we are going to bring, to be able to get the shape correctly, we are going to bring our ruler. then you select your pen tool. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button to get notified anytime I drop new video. Now create a new layer, select your tool, then type free delivery. Now change the font to this. Okay, so the next we are going to do, we are going to draw a shape here. In that shape we are going to write order now. To do that, create a new layer. Now select your shape tool. Now this rectangular tool, that is the tool we are going to use. Draw your shape. So I'm using Photoshop CC 2022. So if I'm using the lower version of Photoshop, it might not be the same as mine. So you create a new layer, select your text tool, then you type order now. Order now. Okay, so the next we are going to do, we are going to add a phone number on it. To do that, duplicate this order now, then drag to this side. So I'm going to type my own phone number, which is +234 814 338 9834. So now I'm going to, on the front, I'm going to drop a core icon. To do that, create a new layer, go to custom shape. So it's already on core icon. Now if you don't have this very shape, you can go online and download any core shape you want. Okay, so the next we are going to do, we are going to add a price tag on it. To do that, create a new layer. Now select this elite tool shape, hold your shift, then draw, then go to stroke and select white, then change the line to this, now increase it. Now Ctrl J to duplicate, hold your Alt key, then reduce it, then select the tool back, then stroke, then fill with this color, then create a new layer, select your text tool and type. So I'm going to put the price tag $20 only. So I'm going to make it smaller. Select the $20, hold your shift, then select the 3 layer, hold your Alt and reduce it a bit. Okay, it's okay now. So the next I'm going to do, I'm going to bring in this onion image, click and drag, then take it down here. Then go to filter, because I'm going to make it blur a little, then motion blur. Okay, then this pepper image, click, drag, reduce the size, then also we are going to make it blur, motion blur, then okay, then Ctrl J to duplicate, double click, then drag here, right click, flip horizontal, okay. So now we are done. Now this is how you design a burger flyer in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button to get notified anytime I drop new tutorial. And if you have any question or any comment, now drop it on the comment section. I will make sure I reply you. Thanks and enjoy the video.